What if you could solve your homework in seconds, get step-by-step explanations, and understand difficult subjects without spending hours searching online? Because that's exactly what Question AI promises to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how students are using this AI homework helper in 2026 and whether it's actually worth trusting for your studies or not. Question AI is basically an AI-powered homework assistant and study tool that helps students by letting them type or upload questions and instantly get step-by-step answers and explanations across subjects like math, science, history, and literature. To get started, you simply go to the Question AI website, create an account, and enter your homework question or upload a photo of the problem, and within seconds, the AI generates a solution that is meant to help you understand the process, not just the final answer. One of the main features is the step-by-step explanation system, because instead of only giving a result, it tries to break the problem down so you can actually learn how to solve it, which is very useful for revision and exam preparation. Another important feature is the instant AI Q&A, because you can ask follow-up questions and get additional explanations, almost like having a tutor available 24/7. The platform also supports multiple subjects, so whether you are working on math equations, science problems, or literature questions, it tries to give quick and easy explanations. According to user feedback online, one of the biggest advantages of Question AI is speed, because it can solve problems much faster than searching through textbooks or watching tutorials. Some students also say it helps them understand topics more easily when the explanations are clear and simple, especially during exam season. The interface is also described as beginner-friendly, which makes it easy for younger students or first-time users of AI tools. But to keep this tutorial honest, there are definitely some downsides you should know before relying on it. Based on Trustpilot reviews and user feedback, many people report mixed experiences, with some saying the answers are helpful while others complain about incorrect solutions or inconsistent quality. One of the biggest concerns is subscription issues, including unexpected charges and difficulty canceling payments, which has caused a lot of frustration for a lot of users. Some reviews also mention that customer support can be slow or unresponsive when problems happen, which is something you should be careful about before subscribing. Another important point is that AI answers are not always perfect, so sometimes the explanations can be oversimplified or even slightly wrong, especially in advanced subjects like physics or chemistry. Overall, though, Question AI does seem useful as a quick homework helper and study assistant for students who need fast explanations and step-by-step support. But it works best as a learning aid rather than something you fully depend on for every assignment. If you decide to try it, make sure you check the subscription settings carefully so you don't get any unexpected charges. If you've used Question AI before, let me know your experience in the comments. And if you enjoyed this honest tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns and reviews.